Hey folks, this is Pastor Jody, and as I stand here surrounded by God's creation, I am reminded that everything He gives has a purpose. Right now, we believe God has placed an open door before Cowboy Church in the Smokies. So now through our Providing for God's Purpose campaign, we are working to raise $480,000 so this ministry can secure a permanent home. A place where souls will be reached, families will be restored, disciples will be made, and future generations, well, they will encounter Jesus. Now, this is not just about property, this is about purpose, folks. So I am asking you to pray with us and to believe with us, and to give generously as the Lord leads. Listen, every gift matters. Every seed sown helps move this vision forward. So together, I ask that we step faithfully into what God is building. Give today and help us provide for God's purpose. For more information, visit our website, pfgp.info. And listen, I just want to say thank you from everyone at Cowboy Church in the Smokies.